welcome. And in this video, I'm going to give you another song from our beginning kids course for ukulele, ukelikethepros.com/kids. Yep, I'm just going to give you another song here so you can really see what we're doing here. What song could it be? I'm not sure. I'll tell you in just 1 second. But the great thing about this particular course is it's great for kids, parents, grandparents, teachers, and even that older ukulele player as well. Why is that? Well, one, it's kid songs, which are nice melodies, easy to remember, easy to sing, not too many chords, and we're going to be using this open C tuning. The open C tuning. What is that? It's G, C, E, and G right there. Boom. And I want to thank my partners out there, guitarsintheclassroom.org. We're huge supporters of what they do. Jessica Barron, Chord Education, they're bringing ukuleles, music, the power of song, the power of music into the classroom, teaching teachers, getting instruments into the classroom so kids can learn as well. And they're doing it through this method right here, this open C tuning. So they're doing an absolutely phenomenal job. Guitarsintheclassroom.org, we'll put a link of that below. Go check them out, support them as well. All right, for this video, what song are we gonna do? All right, I can't hold out anymore. This one is Row, Row, Row Your Boat. Welcome to You Like the Pros. I'm Terry Carter, and I'm just giving you a little sample here of this course I'm so excited about, the beginning kids course at ukelikethepros.com. We'll put a link of that below. And in this one, we're going to continue on learning and exploring the ukulele with another great song, fun song, Row, Row, Row Your Boat. Before we get there, we give away ukulele every single month, right? This is something we've been doing now. We started. It's exciting. And all you got to do is two things. One is subscribe right here to our channel, turn on that bell notification. And then the second thing is click that link below, ukelikethepros.com/win, and you'll automatically enter that monthly giveaway for the ukulele. And I want you to win. All right, so, and by the way, that is donated by store.ukelikethepros.com. That's the #1 store online. That's my store, but the #1 store online. All right, this is a fairly easy song. We're going to do 2 chords that we've already learned in this particular course, all right, that we're going. It's a step-by-step course, a beginning kids course. And this is the C chord and the G7 chord. Now, we are in open tuning here. So we have the G, that's high G, C, E, and then the first string is G as well. Okay, so normally that first string is A. We're dropping it down to G. That way you have an open C chord, which is really great for a beginner. It's really great for a kid as well. And it works fantastic for the kid songs or the nursery rhymes that we're doing. So you got the C chord and then just that G7 chord, which is open 4th string, 2nd finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret, my 1st finger, 2nd string, 1st fret, and then open 1st string. And just make sure you're playing on those fingertips. Keep those knuckles nice and curved there to play that chord. All right, and so then the rest of it is just strumming all downstrokes, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, merrily, 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 all one chord up to that point, and then just 2 beats for life is but a dream. That's it. The G7 just comes in there. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Now I'm going to use my index finger to strum. For this one, especially on these basic or easier strum patterns, if you just want to use your thumb, row your boat gently down the stream, that's fine as well. I want you to get used to using both your thumb and your index finger for playing the ukulele, because it's going to come in handy for not only all of this stuff here at the kids course, but also everything we do down the line as well. So are you ready? Are you excited? All right, we're going to do it now with the slow backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. How did you do on that? Leave that comment below. You know how we do it here. Ukulele the Pros. 1 to 5. 1, you need some work. 5 meaning crushed it, got the chords, got the strum pattern, and you're even doing a little singing. When you do get the kids course, right? The kids course comes with all these videos, everything's on the screen for you as well. Plus, you get the backing tracks, the slow and fast backing tracks, and the sheet music with the lyrics, with the chords, with the melody, everything you need to learn. Okay, so we'll put a link to that below, but that's the kids course over at ukelikethepros.com. So, are you ready? I'm going to challenge you now a little bit. We're going to do the same thing twice through the song with the fast backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. How did you do on that one? I know it's a little faster. Got to get the chords down, got to get the strumming down, maybe try to do a little bit of singing, lock in with the backing track, but leave your score below 1 to 5. 1 meaning need a little work, and maybe you are a true beginner and it's going to take a little bit of time, but that's all right, you can do it. Or 5, you're crushing it. You're getting the chords, you're getting the rhythm, you're locking in with the backtrack and even doing a little singing. All right, these songs, these lessons are taken right from the beginning kids course, ukelikethepros.com/kids. All right, that's the course. Absolutely fantastic. If you like this kind of stuff, if you're a beginner, you want to get going a little bit more. Okay, that's a place for you. We do the entire course in this open C tuning that we did. Okay, we do the entire course. And again, I want to give a shout out. Guitarsinaclassroom.org, Jessica Barron, Chord Education, they're really pioneering, okay, bringing this open C tuning, music education into the classroom. Not only only music, but also using music, the power of song, to teach other subjects as well. They really do a great job. We're a big supporter of them here at Ukulele Pros. So make sure to check them out. Go support them. Guitarsinaclassroom.org. We'll put that link below as well. All right, you also have a chance to win an ukulele. Every single month, we're giving one away, okay? So we'll put a link so you can go sign up for that. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Really, really appreciate it. Really, really does make a big difference. And if you like what we're doing here, okay, this stuff right here, this kid stuff, the nursery rhyme, the children's songs, ukelikethepros.com/kids, absolutely a phenomenal course. You're going to love it. So, all right, that's going to do it for this one. I appreciate everything, all your support. We'll see you next time.